Does matter matter? Today we are going to discover the 3 states of matter and examples of each. Matter is everywhere. Everything around you is matter, including you. All matter has weight and takes up space. There are 3 states of matter. Our first state of matter that we'll talk about is a solid, then liquid, and last, gas. Volume and mass are both properties of matter. Mass is how much matter is in an object, and volume is the amount of space an object takes up. The first state of matter that we'll discuss is a solid. Solids have their own shape. The shape of a solid is not easily changed. A solid is an object that is packed tightly with atoms, so they do not easily move and change shape. A few examples of solids are a pencil, a lamp, a leaf, a table, and a book. The next state of matter that we'll discuss is a liquid. Liquids take the shape of the container that they're in. If a liquid is poured onto the floor, it will take the shape of the floor. A liquid has atoms and molecules that are spread further apart than a solid. With these atoms and molecules further apart, they are able to move more freely and change shape. A few examples of liquids are water, oil, milk, juice, and paint. The next state of matter that we'll discuss is gas. Gases are all around us. Gases do not have their own shape. Some gases have a scent and others are invisible. The molecules in gases are spread really far apart and are constantly moving. Gases will spread out to fill a container. A few examples of gases are air, like wind, helium, and water vapor. Now, let's decide where a few of these would go. The first one we'll talk about is a book. A book has a shape of its own, so it would be a solid. That's right. Our next one that we'll discuss is white. Milk. Milk takes the shape of the container that it's in, so milk would be a liquid. The next object we have is a pencil. A pencil has a shape of its own, so a pencil would be a solid. And the last one we'll sort is helium. Helium is invisible and fills the balloons or container, so it would be a gas. Now we've discussed the 3 states of matter: solid, like a book or a pencil, liquid, like milk, and gas, like helium.